And a lot of these trips, I imagine you would not have paid full price or cash money, cash value, especially the more luxurious trip.
Yes, for sure. I've been fortunate to fly a lot of wonderful first class products using miles and points, ranging from Japan Airlines first class, ANA first class, Lufthansa first class, especially on their A380, Thai first class, Cathay Pacific first class, British Airways, Qantas first class. Haven't flown Air France first class yet, but that is on the bucket list.
And recently it's been a lot of JetBlue flights for sure, as there was a lot of talk about this JetBlue 25 for 25 challenge in 2025. So for those that might not know, can you please explain what this JetBlue challenge is?
Blue was a startup airline 25 years ago in New York City, and this year is the 25th anniversary. So, in order to celebrate this momentous occasion of 25 years of continuing service, JetBlue announced a interesting program this year. Basically, everyone that is a TrueBlue member, which is their loyalty program, is automatically enrolled. And the promotion started on June 25th of this year, and it continues all the way until December 31st of this year. So there's still time left. We have a little bit over 2 months to complete the challenge for anyone interested. So it's definitely doable. 25 airports, it's not too hard if you plan it correctly, especially if you're based on the East Coast where JetBlue has most of their flights, especially if you can get to or reside in Boston, the New York metro area, and the East Coast in Florida, especially around Fort Lauderdale.
And a lot of cheap flights, cash fares are using JetBlue points. I have a Barclays JetBlue credit card, and I know there are many transfer partners that can yield JetBlue points to save on this quest of going to all these different airports. Another perk of this challenge is that you get Mosaic status, one of their high statuses for 25 years. Can you explain that as well?
Yeah, so the rewards for this promotion is Mosaic 1 status. You can actually start earning bonuses from this promotion at 15 JetBlue destinations. And what they define as a destination is arriving or connecting through your airport. So, for example, if someone was flying from Tampa to JFK to Boston, they would get two airports, one for transiting through JFK and then one for arriving to Boston. But if they flew the reverse routing, they wouldn't get credit for the JFK since they already or transited through JFK, but they would get credit for the Tampa. So with this promotion, if you fly through or into 15 destinations, you earn 150,000 bonus TrueBlue points. And then if you just do 5 more destinations, you earn an additional 200,000 TrueBlue points. So that's 350,000 TrueBlue points, which is unheard of for a US airline promotion. And then if you do 5 more destinations, so the 25, you earn 25 years of Mosaic 1 status plus the above 350,000 cumulative TrueBlue points. And that's not including the points you earn from the spend for taking the flights and any credit card bonuses you may have